In this presentation, we'll explore how to trigger a connector in Dell Boomi. First, I'll explain what connectors are and why they matter. Then, we'll break down the steps to set up triggers effectively. By the end, you'll know how to optimize configurations for better performance and have some fun along the way. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Let's kick things off by demystifying connectors in Dell Boomi. Think of them as gateways that enable integration. We'll review some examples, like database and Salesforce connectors. I'll also highlight their role and features. It's simpler than you think, and no, you don't need a magic wand for this. Now, let's talk triggers. Triggers are like alarms that activate processes when conditions are met. I'll explain their types and importance in automation. Picture a seamless workflow. No chaos or hair-pulling involved. Let's dive into real-world use cases. From syncing databases to automating tasks, triggers handle it all. I'll share examples to show their impact. Trust me, your workflow will thank you. Preparation is key when setting up triggers. Think of it like planning a road trip. You need the right tools, a map, and fuel or snacks. I'll guide you through the essentials, like permissions and testing. Choosing the right connector is crucial. It's like picking the right tool for a job. No one hammers a nail with a spoon. We'll explore factors and strategies to find the perfect fit for your needs. Connector configuration might sound fancy, but it's straightforward. I'll explain the settings and share tips to avoid common mistakes. Stick with me. It's easier than assembling flat-pack furniture. Designing a process flow is like sketching a blueprint. We'll map inputs and outputs, ensure error handling, and test for efficiency. By the end, you'll create a workflow as smooth as butter. The final step, adding a connector to your process. I'll walk you through the steps, share best practices, and troubleshoot common issues. By now, you'll be a Boomi connector maestro. Setting up the start shape is like laying the foundation for a house. It's crucial. I'll guide you through choosing the right shape, setting accurate inputs, ensuring compatibility, and testing it all. Trust me, once you get this right, the rest of the process feels like a breeze. Think of trigger conditions as the spark that ignites the process. We'll talk about how to define manual or automatic triggers, use filters to fine-tune them, and keep everything aligned with your goals. It's simpler than it sounds, promise. Testing triggers is the moment of truth. We'll walk through different scenarios, check logs for clues, ensure triggers work flawlessly, and wrap it all up with documentation. It's like solving a puzzle. It's even fun when everything clicks. Debugging might feel like detective work, but it's oddly satisfying. We'll uncover usual suspects, leverage tools to hunt down culprits, apply fixes, and retest to ensure success. Who said debugging couldn't be thrilling? Monitoring is your safety net. It keeps processes humming along. Dashboards and KPIs make it easy to track performance, while resolving anomalies ensures operations run like clockwork. It's your backstage pass to success. Optimizing triggers is like fine-tuning an engine. It makes everything smoother. We'll spot inefficiencies, make smart adjustments, and keep refining to maintain peak performance. You'll be the maestro of seamless processes. Best practices are like wisdom passed down from the pros. We'll talk about connectors that save time, staying updated, documenting well, and keeping security tight. It's the secret sauce for success. Let's wrap things up with a bang. We'll revisit the key points, outline next steps, and leave you with resources to explore. Got questions? Don't hold back. It's your turn to shine. And that's a wrap. Thank you for staying with me. I hope the session was insightful. Feel free to dive into further discussions or shoot any queries. Let's keep the conversation alive and productive. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.